Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a home fragment layout for our featured games. As you have seen in our introduction video that we have used a featured game section in the home fragment, right? So today let's get started. And first of all, we have to design our fragment layout in the home fragment. So let's open your Android Studio. Then go to App and Resources. After that, go to Layout. After that, go to Fragment Layout, right? Now we not need this one, delete this. Okay. Now if you first of all let's give a background color. Let's name it background. Okay. Now we have to use a nested scroll view. As you know, we have also created it in our fragment category layout. So we have to do same thing. Just type nested scroll view and width should be 0 dp. Okay, height should be 0 dp and go to next line and make its fill viewport blue. After that set scroll bars none. Okay, after that take a visibility for now visible, later we will make it gone. Okay, now we have to make its constant layout property bottom to bottom, top to top, like this one. So top, make it top to top parent. Okay, bottom to bottom of parent, start to start of end to end of parent. Okay, now it has been done. Close it. So give a ID to our nested scroll view because we have to enable or make it visible programmatically after getting all the data. Okay, so get a ID to it. Let's say simply nested scroll view. Now it has been done. Now inside this nested scroll view, always use a view layout like this constant layout or linear layout, anything. So we choose constant layout and make its width match parent and height wrap content. Okay. Now let's do it. And inside this constraint layout, we have to create a text view and a recycler view, right? So first of all, create a text view. Always use a material text view type and make its width wrap content height to take 50 dp, right? And make its margin from top to at least 10 dp. Okay, now take a text name. Let's give a text color. Let's purple 500. Let's give a text size. Sorry, text size. Let's say 20 sp. If you not have created this one text 20 dimension, then go to values dimension.xml and here you can create this one. Okay, now use text style bold. Okay, now you have to make its property like start to start, end to end, and top to top. Just copy these three lines and put it here. It has been done. Make it push. Okay, as you know, we have to set a title programmatically, so we need to create a ID for it. Let's name it uh, TV featured games, right? Okay. Now, in the introduction video, you have seen that we have used a background image uh, for this text view. So I have already downloaded a file, but how you can download it from internet? So let me show you. Go to Google and type text background and type PNG, right? Then as you can see, go to image and here you can find a lot of images, right? So I have downloaded a better one. Let me show you here, this one. Okay, so make it copy. Now then go to drivable under resources folder. Let me show you from the beginning. Go to app, then resources, then drawable folder, and inside this drawable folder right click on it and make it paste. Do not give any special name or space or any numeric uh, number to your name of this file. Just type a small case letters only. Okay, now press OK. Our file name is border, as you can see. So how you can give a background to this view? Just you have to type a background, write this like this, and now call type border as simply. It will automatically suggest you. Press enter. As you can see, it is there. Okay, but as you can see, it is not looking good because text view gravity is it is starting. So we have to make the text view gravity in the center of this image. So simply call the gravity and choose center. And as you can see, our text view becomes looking good. Let me zoom out. As you can see, it is working fine. So now we have to create a recycler view for our games item. Okay, so after material text view, take a recycler view and type recycler view and height. Sorry, first of all, give to width to 0 dp. Okay, press 0 dp from there and height make wrap content. Okay, mm, let just wait, please. It was this one, recycler view, this bottom one. Okay, do not select above one, this one. Okay, now make width to 0 dp and its wrap content. Okay, now as you can see, it is stuck at the top of this text view. So first of all, we have to take these three properties, copy it and paste it here. And as you can see, it is we have set top to top. That's why it is now top to top, but we have to set top to bottom of this three featured games, right? So make to top to bottom of three featured games. As you can see, it is working fine, but as you can see, there is no space between this. So we have to give a top margin at least 5 dp. Okay, give margin top margin. So margin top and shift 5 dp. Okay, now it has been done. Let's close it. Now give a ID to our recycler view. Let's type ID and let's say it a featured games recycler view. So let's call it recycler view RV and featured games. Right? It is become good. As you can see, our layout is ready for our featured games. Okay. I hope you understand. If you not understand, have any doubt in your mind, please feel free to contact me via comment. Okay, I will meet you in the next upcoming lecture.